What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Ghostfighter, 2T's. Sometimes I forget where to look at the video, but I know the camera's over here. And I'm trying to get better at making sure I look at the camera when I do talk. But today we're going to be reviewing something that's been one of the best items that I've had since I've been doing recordings. I could pretty much use it at any time, pull it out at any time. And that is this bad boy right here. The OWN tripod. See this bad boy? Focus, 66-inch. I want to make sure that you see the whole box because I know that there's going to be people in the comment section that's going to ask, hey, where, what, and when. The price range of this was probably about $15 to $20. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it was about $15, $20. It's been quite a while since I had it. I had it since like Christmas or a little bit before Christmas of last year. It's kind of like an unboxing, but I already had it out of the box because I'm already using it. It will come with this bag right here, carrying case, and it has a zipper on this side. So you just unzip it. It doesn't go all the way, so that it has some type of pressure to catch it. And I'm pretty sure that you put the feet in first and just push it down, and then you fold the top the way that you need be. And I'm gonna show you that in a second. All right, and then here's the actual tripod. And what I like about this tripod is you can take and move it up, and then you can tighten it down here. Okay, and then it has this, which is what I'm using right now on the pod I'm using. That I'm using a baby tripod right now, but you can spread the legs like this, okay, and then you pull the tabs like this, okay, and it goes out. Each one very easy to use. Snap them all, boom. And then the nice part about this is it has where you can just stick any size phone. Will work inside of this area. This is probably about 5 to 6 inches. Most phones are about that wide. If your phone is in an extra thick case, then all you want to do is take it out of the case and put it in this tripod. And it has a nice little cushion up there so it doesn't mess the phone up. And it has a rubber grip up top, as you can see right here. It has a rubber grip. And it also has a balancer. Guys, you can take this part off. Look at that. You can pop it back in. Boom, and it's done. And if you want to know your angles, it'll tell you. There is a little, let me make sure that this is out. Okay, so look, right here, it tells you if your camera is stable and it's sitting at the perfect degrees when you're recording. So if it's in between the little niches, that means that it's stable. And yeah, other than that, you can roll it up. I mean, this thing is awesome. And it'll tell you if you're in dead center. It's even a little niche here. See, it's even a little one there that the water goes in the middle and it has an air bubble and it tells you where the center is. I mean, and this is just going to be great for using it for. Now, this part doesn't swivel, but oh yeah, it does. It's just real. I haven't used it that much, but it swivels. You can put it at the where you want, and you can just take it and move it around. If you're doing like a video, if you're recording something with you and your friend, you can pretty much, and this tightens down, and you can just record whatever you're trying to look at. Boom. And it made it stiff like that so it don't move too fast when you're trying to record and get a good picture. But that's pretty much the full unboxing. I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory when you're done using it. It's not hard. You just, and if you want to tighten it so it don't move, then you can do like that. But I just keep mine unlocked. Boom, quick fold. Just hit the tabs. Now, if you want to go up higher, boom, it goes way out here, 66 total inches. But I only use the first one. You never know what you're going to need it for, but it has them for all the tripods. Got nice little bottoms on it, so if they go in the dirt, it wouldn't hurt them. You can wash the dirt out of them. You know what I mean? So it's not nothing that's going to be make or break. And now, if you want to put it away, you can easily take this part right here off. Boom, comes off. And you take this piece right here off, and you'll be able to put it in the bag with no issues. But since I'm not transporting it anywhere, you put that on. Because otherwise, if you didn't put that on, it would be like this, and you would have to carry it like that. But this is the type of tripod you want to take into a dealership when you're talking about doing reviews on their car. They know you mean business. You coming in with this bad boy right here in your phone. You know what I mean? This is a nifty toy right here. I would call it a toy because I love to do this type of stuff, but some people are serious about their stuff, and if you want to hang it, you can hang it. It has a hook here in the middle. You can hang it upside down wherever you want. You know what I mean? Like this, like so. Boom. And it's hung. So I got this from Walmart. I'm pretty sure there's other places you can get it. I'm pretty sure they're way more money. But I don't want to make this video any longer than it needs to be. I gave you the price point. It's anywhere from 15 to 20 something bucks. Yeah, I mean, that's it, dude. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. I make these videos because I know people be trying to find this type of stuff, and I go back and look at videos that I did. I didn't think people would really want to really watch them, and I actually got thousands of views on those videos. So there's another banger, man. That's something that I'm going to use on a daily basis when I'm going out and doing reviews on cars if I decide to get back into it. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with my channel. But I'm not going to stop bringing these videos for you guys to enjoy. I love you guys. God bless y'all. Make sure y'all hit me with a sub, like, and a comment. It ain't going to hurt you. I'm subbed to a lot of people on YouTube. Make sure you guys sub to me. Stay tuned for more videos like this. And I'm out.